Ko West Giant Hill District da yak sok tiga wabarok ko wigiri yo lekmen yaka 75th Republic Day ni kasngi. Hajwai da wan Menteri ke chnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary UAL heng wopen her yaka lamagari weda chimule yaka Rashtriya Salute haperdi irwa yaka National Anthem da ke JNV School Mukhla ha lekmen weda penman Hamadan Jerusalem jwai. Nailiang Menteri haw ikhuble yaki pajba depan kenmo yaki wachong chnong yaki tu ki wadiale wo yo alai loj weda khanau le yaki momer weda poi ke jela. Hagayale match pass da chimbenta da arpau tali ki liang wakantup yaki District Police Juai, ki NCC na JNV Mukhla Government Girls High Secondary School Juai, naite ki West Jaintia Bharat Scouts and Guides Juai wa khatsan tali ki skur. Da penyorong le yaki khatsan tali ki chnat sorkar yaki kam wada le ki dewa penchana penriam da ki keri. Nailiang Menteri da samule yaki certificates cheki wa job match pass wada yo nyngkong da ke JNV Mukhla wa ar ka St. Mary Magdalene High Secondary School Juai kat wa hevele da yo da ke Government Boys High Secondary School Juai. Nagichnat sorkar da yo nyngkong ke yung krekam u District Horticulture Officer Juai he wa ar da yo ke District Commerce and Industry Center Juai kat wa hevele da yo da ke Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Territorial Division Juai. Da samle iki khusnam top performing PHC chaka sasnyang PHC deveyi ki upen krekam bha ya ka Mega Health Insurance Scheme MHIS wa ya ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana ABPMJAY. Menteri da pengkup buramule yau Havildar Ampliasenna wa u ABC Arki Nikla upulit ka Anti Narcotic Task Force ye chakri yangki. Hagani ke lekmen Republic Day de yo le irwai ichat naki kena skur wa naki dongki chnong juai de em le ilai sambam cheki Children's Home de kichnat sorkar wa ki sain kremon sngau bha. Ha amlarem Civil Subdivision de lekmen yak Republic Day hamadan ka amlarem Government Lower Primary School he wa yak lama ka rida wan open hair daw MLA ka thanyu lakmen rembui u de chimle yak Rashtriya Salute haprdi irwai yak National Anthem de ka River Jaintia Church of God Secondary School lat Jeplem. Haka match pass da chimbenta dan nyau tuli ki liang wakantup ya kecnat pulin dai lang wan rutuli ki skur ni liang kecnat sorkar da wan pratali ki wada penriam ya ki keri yo penyo ya ki kam wada leki. Haka match pass da job da kasim jingsuk High Secondary School amlarem kadwa ka amlarem Secondary School da yo awa argo. Da pengkup buram le ya udap ki sela BLO kasoyong no o wada yo ya ka State Award yai le bahau yai kamu da em le irwai ichat tenre wada e da ki kena skor haka ni kasngi. Hahima Shangpung laskain sianar di blok da lekmen ya ke Republic Day hamadan hula musim Shangpung hei wau MLA ke juai wailat mikisel la da wan open hair ya galama.
JNV Mukhla NCC contingent in command of Following JNV Mukhla, we have the Government Girls Higher Secondary School Juai NCC contingent in command by Ms. Nandani Sinha. The next contingent is the Bharat Scouts of Wyrta in command by JNV Mukhla.
Commanded by Ms. Nyngkong, for the contingent of education delivery and school supply. Next contingent we have JNV School Mukhla, commanded by Master VP Mayang. So a huge round of applause for JNV School. Following JNV Mukhla we have Kiamnamba Government Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Master Rashwan. A huge round of applause for Kiamnamba Government Higher Secondary School Joint. Next we have Government Boys Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Master Riso Nakadam. A huge round of applause for Government Boys Higher Secondary School Joint. Now we have Horticulture Higher Secondary School Joint, commanded by Master Saino Gabriel.
After the Horticulture High Secondary School join, we have the next contingent, that is the Police Public Secondary School join, being commanded by Ms. Mary K. Mara. The next contingent, following the Police Public Secondary School, is Government Girls Higher Secondary School join, commanded by Ms. R. Martini Chula. After the Government Girls contingent, we have another contingent approaching the saluting race, that is the Market Mill Higher Secondary School Joy, being commanded by Master Kampupa Shilla. Following Market Higher Secondary School Joy, the contingent that follows is Little Flowers English Secondary School, Yokya, Jawai, being commanded by Master Ram Sutana.
Now we have St. High Secondary School Joint, commanded by Ms. W. Susan Imdin. Huge round of applause for St. High Secondary School Joint. Following St. High Secondary School Joint, we have QC St. High Secondary School Joint, commanded by Ms. Vankantai Pasto. Huge round of applause for this contingent. Following QC St. High Secondary School, Joy, we have KGP Senat Lady Higher Secondary School Joy, commanded by Master Yohi Dame Palil. A huge round of applause for KGP High Senat Lady High Secondary School Joy. Next we have Chester ST UP Secondary School Joy, commanded by Master Amit Jain. Huge round of applause for Chester ST UP Secondary School Joy.
Let us again give a big round of applause for all the 20 contingents taking part in the parade. You have witnessed the 20 contingents taking part in the march past for today's celebration of Republic Day. You have witnessed the beautiful march performed by the District Police Joint, JNV Mukhla NCC contingent, Government Girls High Secondary School Joy NCC contingent, Bharat Scouts and Guides, St. Mary Magzaralo Girls High Secondary School Joy, Jaintia Higher Secondary School Joy, HK Singh Memorial Secondary School Joy, JNV School Mukhla, Yangnangba Government Higher Secondary School Joy, Government Boys Higher Secondary School Joy, North Liberty Higher Secondary School Joy.
In historic development of life-size statue of Tirat Singh will be unveiled on 16 February 2024 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. A high-level delegation led by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and comprising of senior cabinet ministers, senior officials, traditional heads, academics, artists, civil society members and journalists will be representing Meghalaya at the inaugurations. Meghalaya was honored to host the maiden visit of our Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Earlier in January, the Honorable President attended the civic receptions at Tura, Baljek and Mukhla, during which she opened the 5th edition of the Meghalaya game and interacted with the members of the Women of Self-Help Group. The Honorable President has also laid a foundation stone for a number of crucial infrastructure projects like the Shillong Peak Roadway, the Tura Integrated Administrative Complex, the village tourist accommodations. She also inaugurated a newly upgraded Rongjeng Mangsang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Ajara Road. The government operationalized the Rajbahn at Tura, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Babu Chauhan, on 12 January. Situated within a sprawling of 28.45 acres, plot unconstructed at a cost of 24 crores rupees. The new Rajbahn is fulfillment the long-time aspirations of the people of Garo Hills. State GDP to achieve this government is preparing a growth strategies for all sectors and mobilizing investment.
The society is hopeful to train 1.2 lakhs youth in the next 5 years under the 3 domains of skilling, livelihood and entrepreneurship. This program has allowed people to access training in demand-driven sectors for which employment, etc. The third tableau approaching the dais is from the district's vision. It is the most important aspect of being a society. The Indian government has taken various steps to ensure that quality education is accessible for all. NEP also sets out some objectives for higher education that aim to make learning more interesting and accessible. Division, Social Forestry Division join. The theme is forests, fires and its impacts. Forest fires can have significant impacts on the environment, wildlife and human communities. Some of the major impacts of the forest fires include and warden service, while the Home Guards Office is involved with imparting basic Home Guards training to volunteers from both rural as well as urban areas. Veterinarians are vaccinating dogs against rabies regularly. Rabies can be prevented but cannot be treated. 40% of people who are bitten by suspect rabies dogs have children on the
They are stored by the BBC as a whole. Well, we have more than 200 people and producing about 7 metric tons of honey. However, this present production to complete the market demand since already unique due to the presence of indigenous fluoride or beekeeping or apiculture. The scientific method of breeding these for its conservation product high quality food, namely royal jelly and full other products such as meat and honey, venom, and proper. Pollination is essential for the maintenance of plant biodiversity, the survival of one ecosystem. These are the best pollinating agents that pollinate about 1/3 of the world's crops, 90% of water, and nutrient. So huge round of applause and thanks to the presented by the Office of Divisional Mining Officer West Justice District Wyrta. Next tableau is prisoners who are well engaged and participated in professional training through bank account. WNENEAT, treatment of TB, USTB or simple TB to 6 months, MDR TB 9 to 11 months, DR TB 18 months to 20 months.
Effective span. At Mo Sachwang, Sana Road, Lapangap Road to Chepenang. Mo Sachwang, Sana Road, Lapangap Road to Chepenang is an ODR road and recently sanctioned for improvement in charge, measuring and topic. The next tableau from the Office of the District Project Management Unit, DMPU 6LMP.
PM Vishwakarma scheme. This is a central sector scheme which was launched on the 7th September 2020, aimed at supporting traditional artisans and craftspersons from both rural and urban sectors whose arts and crafts are passed from generation to generation with no formal training. The scheme in its first instance covered Indian traditional trades like carpenter, boat maker, blacksmith, cobble, potter, tailoring, goldsmith, awareness should be created among the villagers residing near the borders with respect to the long-term impact of forest fires. Creation of internal and external fire lines. Internal fire lines should be created to prevent fire spreading to the other parts of the forest. External fire line should be created along the boundary of the periphery of the forest, so as to prevent any fire raging outside the forest.
Saja cinta lama